Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the brakes on the Caravan, and in particular the squealing brakes that I have on mine. So come and join us. So Caravan brakes, we've had this Caravan from new since 2018. And to be quite frank, it's squealed ever since we've bought it. We've had it in and they've cleaned them out. They've said it's because we're overloading it, which is nonsense. And to be quite frank, I was getting really fed up with it. It was getting embarrassing going onto sites and braking, or going down the street and braking, and people turning around wondering what all that squealing was about. So when I took it for its service, I spoke to the Caravan engineer and I said, look, you know, I'm really sick of this. And he said, yeah, he says, there's a lot of people, he said, in fact, most vans around about the 2018 period on the Alco chassis and Alco brakes have squealing brakes. He said, I do believe there's an upgrade for the brake shoes. So I said, okay. I said, how much is that going to cost me? So he gave me a price and I thought, well, I'm happy with that. So I've booked it in, and today it's going to get new shoes. And we're going to go down to Mike's now and get it all sorted. So I'm just going to set the Caravan up ready for towing. So we're just back from the Caravan engineers, and I thought I'd show you these brake shoes. He actually gave them me after he'd replaced them. And when I cleaned them up with some brake cleaner, I was absolutely horrified at the state of them. They're absolutely goosed, for want of a better way of describing it. They're all shot completely. Now, he says that these, it looks like they've been contaminated, and I'll be honest, I really do agree with him. They're absolutely perished. Now, these have been squealing for ages, so imagine the damage that these could potentially cause to the drums. And as we've said before, the drums are 250 quid a pop. So that's a 500 quid plus your labour, which is a lot of money, just for the sake of these squealing. So if you've got squealing brakes, I highly recommend that you get them checked out, because if they're anything like these, this could cost you a lot of money. We were lucky, our drums weren't as damaged as we thought, and after a little bit of sanding and fettling, they were back to normal. But I'm glad, because I didn't fancy another bill for 500 quid plus. Well everyone, this has been a cautionary tale. We got them checked out after an horrendous amount of squealing, and we were very, very lucky because they hadn't damaged the drums. There was just a little scuff which could have been repaired quite easily, so we were happy with that. But to replace these, the £250 each, because they've got pressed into the centre the actual bearing that runs the wheel. So 250 quid each plus labour, you're looking at a lot of money. So if you've got squeaking brakes, please get them checked out. It might save you some money, and it also might prevent the Caravan from being damaged any further. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.